A geyser is a hot spring that erupts periodically, shooting a column of hot water and steam into the air. Geysers are formed when water seeps deep into the Earth's crust, where it is heated by magma or hot rocks. The heated water becomes pressurized, and when it reaches a certain pressure, it forces its way to the surface in a powerful eruption. The most famous geyser field in the world is Yellowstone National Park in the United States. Old Faithful is the most well-known geyser in Yellowstone, erupting approximately every 90 minutes. Geysers are rare natural phenomena, with only a few hundred known to exist worldwide. Iceland, New Zealand, Russia, Chile, and the United States are the countries with the most geysers. The largest geyser in the world is Steamboat Geyser in Yellowstone National Park, which can erupt up to 390 feet high. Geysers can be classified as either steam-driven or cold-water geysers, depending on their heat source. The plumbing system of a geyser is a complex network of underground pipes and chambers. Geysers are sensitive to changes in their environment, such as earthquakes or changes in water flow. The eruption of a geyser is a delicate balance of temperature, pressure, and water flow. Geysers are a valuable source of geothermal energy, which can be used to heat homes and businesses. Geysers can also be used to generate electricity. Geysers are a popular tourist attraction, drawing millions of visitors each year. Geysers are a reminder of the power of nature and the Earth's internal heat. The study of geysers has helped scientists learn more about the Earth's geology and hydrology. Geysers are a unique and fascinating natural phenomenon that continues to captivate people around the world. Geysers can be found in a variety of landscapes, from volcanic regions to geothermal fields. The eruption of a geyser is a spectacular sight that can be both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Geysers can be a source of danger, as their eruptions can be unpredictable and violent. Geysers are a valuable resource for scientific research. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these incredible geyser secrets, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing facts and adventures.